Today, you're about to witness something that doesn't look real, something so bold, so futuristic, it feels like it was pulled straight from a sci-fi movie. This is not an RV. This is not a bus. This is an AI-generated vision of a blacked-out 3-story luxury motorhome, a moving fortress of elegance and technology that redefines what "mansion on wheels" means. Let's take a tour. From the outside, the vehicle is an absolute beast. Measuring nearly 30 meters long, over 7 meters tall, and more than 5 meters wide, it's bigger than some buildings. Its sculpted bodywork flows like liquid obsidian, with golden LED light strips outlining every curve. Floor-to-ceiling glass wraps around each level, revealing glowing interiors that make it look more like a private luxury skyscraper gliding down the highway than a motorhome. Step into the cockpit, and you're transported straight into the future. The driver's cabin is sleek and illuminated with neon blue accents, surrounded by touch panels, digital displays, and a panoramic windshield that feels like piloting a spaceship. It's where power meets precision, commanding not just the road, but the experience of everyone inside. Now, let's explore the living spaces. The kitchen is something you'd expect in a luxury penthouse, not a vehicle. Matte black cabinetry, glowing underlighting, marble counters, and panoramic windows create a cooking space that feels both futuristic and warm. Whether it's a quick breakfast or a gourmet dinner, this kitchen turns every meal into an event. Next, the master bedroom suite, and it's nothing short of breathtaking. A king-sized bed sits surrounded by ambient golden lighting, with curved walls of glass framing the world outside. From mountains to city skylines, the view itself becomes part of the design. At night, the lighting creates a cocoon of comfort, transforming the room into the ultimate private retreat. The bathroom is equally dramatic. Black marble lines the walls and floors, lit by glowing strips of light that carve futuristic patterns across every surface. A rainfall shower, sleek vanity, and metallic fixtures make it feel more like a 5-star spa than anything on wheels. For fitness lovers, there's a dedicated gym, lined with treadmills, bikes, and futuristic workout stations, all surrounded by massive glass panels. Imagine working out while the landscape rolls by outside your window. It's health and wellness reimagined for the future. Then comes the lounge area, the social heart of this moving mansion. Plush sofas curve around a glowing centerpiece table, while panoramic windows and ambient lighting create the perfect mood. Whether it's movie nights, parties, or simply watching the world pass by, this lounge is designed for unforgettable experiences. And finally, the showstopper, the indoor pool. Yes, an actual swimming pool inside a motorhome. Lined with marble, glowing with blue lights, and surrounded by panoramic glass, it feels like a luxury spa floating above the road. It's the ultimate symbol of over-the-top luxury, relaxation, entertainment, and exclusivity rolled into one. Altogether, this black futuristic motorhome isn't just a concept, it's a vision of what mobile living could look like if limits didn't exist. It's bold, extravagant, and unlike anything the world has ever seen. So now the question is, would you live in a 3-story futuristic mansion on wheels like this, complete with a pool, a gym, and suites fit for royalty? Or is this a fantasy only billionaires will ever touch? Let me know in the comments. And if you love this insane luxury tour, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, because the next concept we'll explore takes futuristic motorhomes to an even crazier level.